Hey Sabrina.
Hi, Stacey.
Hey, my car's been smelling like gas lately. Can you
Uh-oh.
tell me what could be causing that?
Yeah, of course. Now, before I go into some common causes that we've seen with fuel smells, I would say for your safety, do not drive the vehicle. Have it towed to the nearest automotive technician. Now, as far as common causes go, there could be a fuel leak somewhere within the lines or within the seals of the fuel system. It could also be that you have an exhaust leak, your gas cap could be loose. It could also be that you have a broken or fouled out spark plug, which can cause a misfire. And before I get deeper into it, like and subscribe to our channel if you would like more tech tips. Now, with that being said, also if the fuel pressure regulator isn't operating the way that it should, then the engine is running rich and it could cause the engine to burn fuel too quickly. Also, if there is a broken or fouled out spark plug, you're going to be getting an engine misfire. What also could be causing a misfire is an ignition coil that's not functioning properly. It could be a blocked positive crankcase ventilation valve. It could be a multitude of things, just like a faulty fuel injector, something along those lines. Also, it could be that your engine is so carboned up that it's creating blockages in the intake valves and the intake ports. So, doing a fuel system service once a year will help prevent carbon buildup and help break down on that, especially if you have a direct injected motor, just like the Volkswagens have. Also, if there is a misfire, then the it's telling the computer to add more fuel and not more air. And so that fuel is not burning off because it's having an excessive amount of fuel. And so you are going to get that fuel smell. And that's pretty much it. So if you are experiencing this, go ahead and give us a call, Wayside Garage, at 831-899-2425. Or you can visit our website to schedule as well at waysidegarage.com.
Do you
We'd be
have
love.
any other videos about automotive repair?
Of course, we do have other videos of anything else that you could be experiencing, and we'll be coming out with more as well in the future.
Thanks.
Of course.